you for joining us. We appreciate you joining us today for this session. This is actually one of my favorite presentations to do at Barnett because my past experience includes 5 years as a site manager. So I actually was a research manager for a multi-specialty site and really enjoy the opportunity to work directly with clinical research coordinators and investigative site teams. I've also worked as a CRA for about a total of, 7 years in both devices and pharmaceuticals, and then a couple of years as a study manager. So that just gives you a little bit of background about myself. What we're doing today is we're hoping to provide you and your team with an update on much of the activity that's occurred over, for example, maybe the last 3 years in the FDA as part of what's called the BIMO initiative, and we'll talk about that as we move forward. But we want to give you an update on much of the guidance documents and other sorts of activities that the FDA has implemented over the last few years and how they might impact the investigative side and the way that you conduct clinical trials. This is going to be our course content for today. As I mentioned, we're going to examine the regulatory updates that impact research sites. And we'll hope to provide you with some strategies for determining especially appropriate role delegation or delegation of authority within clinical research trials, and then how some of the regulatory and guidance updates may impact documentation that you need for your clinical research studies. And then also be able to help you understand maybe some tools or resources that may be available to implement the new sort of recommended practices that the FDA is promoting.